Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 that you guys might be missing out. Also, we will talk about the One UI 7 update. So starting off with the first update, so you have to tap on the software update from the settings, then you have to tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see that a new security patch level update is available of the March 1st, 2025. With the update size of 260 MBs, and if we talk about that what's new, so it includes some device stability improvements and bug fixes. The last update that I got on this device was of February 1st, 2025. So to install this update, you will have to first of all download it, and once the download is completed, you will get to see a pop-up of install now. As you can see, now I have downloaded the update. Now you just have to tap on install now, but make sure that your device is completely free during this installation process, as this installation process might take a while and you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. So make sure to install this update when your device is completely free and you do not expect any new calls. Now the One UI will install this update. As you can see, this process will take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. And once installed, your device will automatically restart and you will see this pop-up that your phone is updated. Now when you will tap on download and install and check for the new updates, it will say that your device is up to date on the latest version. Now if we talk about the One UI 7 update, so the One UI 7 update was expected in this month with the security patch level of May. As you can see, the May 2025 will bring in the One UI 7 update for the A34 and M34, according to the rumors, but there is no update yet on my device. As you can see, the May has ended and there is no security patch update available yet. So let's hope that the One UI 7 update will be available soon on the A34. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.